Kuraburi Pier. Kuraburi Pier is found on the shores of Ampere Kuraburi, Phangnga. This popular pier is for smaller boats heading towards Mugasurin, Similan Island, and Got Pratong. There are numerous companies providing shuttle services to these destinations, and there is also a visitors information center about Mugasurin, from where visitors can book accommodation on the islands. This is also a bustling pier for fishermen who deliver their catch to local markets. And the hustle and bustle of local life can be of interest to many visitors.